Good morning, class. Today we are working on Reader's Notebook Lesson 21, pages 307 and 308, and we're working with verbs. And today on page 307, it says use of verbs be and have. The verbs be and have are irregular verbs. They change forms when the subject changes. The subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number and sense. And what they mean by agree in number and tense, is that you can't go from present tense to past tense. And the other thing you don't want to do is go from plural to singular or vice versa. Singular subject and present tense helping verb. She is looking out the window. You can see that she is a singular subject meaning one person, and then is present tense. She is looking out the window. Okay, the next example says the weather forecast has predicted rain. Forecast is your singular subject and has is your present tense helping verb. Has predicted rain. In the next examples we have plural subjects and past tense helping verbs. They were wearing raincoats. They is your plural subject, and were means it's past tense. They were wearing raincoats. The next sentence you have Gary and I, which is plural, more than one. Had brought umbrellas, and had is a past tense helping word. Had brought, meaning it happened in the past. In this activity today, it says underline the correct helping verb in parentheses for each sentence. So you have to identify which one is correct. Number 1, Mom and I has gone out for a walk, or Mom and I had gone out for a walk. And it should be had gone. Okay, past tense helping verb. And you can also see that Mom and I makes a plural subject. You don't have to do anything with that part though. Number 2, the sun were shining brightly in the blue sky. Well, the sun is something that's singular, so the sun is shining brightly in the blue sky. And let's look at the next one. Number 3, the thick clouds are moving quickly, or the thick clouds is moving quickly. Well, clouds is plural, so we have to have are as our helping verb. The thick clouds are moving quickly. Let's do one more together. And that's number 4, and it says large droplets of rain had fallen, or large droplets of rain is fallen. Well, it happened in the past, so it's had fallen, and fallen is your cue that it had already happened in the past. Large droplets of rain had fallen. Go ahead and complete 5 through 10 on your own. You can pause the video and hit play when you're ready to move on to the next page. All right, page 308 says using verb phrases. A verb phrase contains more than one verb. The verbs could, should, would, or must are followed by another verb to form a verb phrase. The second verb in the verb phrase is often be or has. So you'll often see things like could have, could be, should be, would be, or must have, must be. Verb phrase examples. It could be dangerous in the Wild West. And I would have brought some granola for a snack. In numbers 1 through 4, it says read each sentence and write be or have on the line to complete each verb phrase. Okay, number 1, during the summer, the desert must be hot in the afternoon or must have hot in the afternoon. Well, it's going to be must be hot. So you're going to write be on the line. Number 2, you should be plenty of water with you at all times, or you should have plenty of water with you at all times. And that's going to be have. And you can go ahead and complete 3 and 4 on your own. Numbers 5 through 8, it says read each sentence. Choose the verb in parentheses that best fits the meaning of each sentence, and write the verb on the line. And you can go ahead and just circle the correct verb if you'd like. And number 5, is it going to be the children must have been tired after the long walk, or the children could have been tired after the long walk? If it was a long walk, we're going to go with must have been. So you can go ahead and just circle or underline the word must. If you want to write it on the line, go ahead. Number 6, we have the words would and should. Don't worry, I would be home before the thunderstorm hits. Or don't worry, I should be home before the thunderstorm hits. And it should be the word should. Don't worry, I should be home before the thunderstorm hits. You can go ahead and complete 7 and 8 on your own. When you have completed both pages, please take pictures of your work, attach it to your assignment, upload, and turn it in on Teams. Thank you.